Okay, we're gonna kill another rooster. We got a very vicious one. Oh, here it comes, guys. Whoa. Oh, let's go. He smells blood. He smells the blood of his brother. Whoa, kids, whoa.
Catch it.
Here it comes. Oh, no. Oh, he's trying to get in. Oh, get it. Get him, Mom. Oh. He knows. Come on. Marshall, this one's going to be tough.
Look at all of action.
Now report for us. Hi, this is Jediah Stewart reporting from Uncle Gary's. Today is July the 4th, 2015. Go ahead, do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We are going to kill this chicken.
Say this, Jediah Stewart reporting.
This is Jediah Stewart reporting, and we are going to have to kill that chicken.
Look in the camera. Sometimes you're
You mean
reporting.
rooster. I mean rooster.
Oh,
And there
guys.
he is.
One chop. Good job, Marshall.
No, the head's not off. Is it?
No.
Oh, God.
Hold its body.
Watch the blood.
What? Watch Uncle Gary's fingers.
Mean one.
Okay, guys.
Nobody look. I'm looking.
Rub it. Saw it.
Oh.
Get it.
Let's go.
Oh, God.
Let's go. Here he comes. Go, Gary. Put him up. Put him up. Yeah. Oh, no, it's alive. Oh, there we go, guys. Yeah. It's coming alive. Jordan, go over there. Touch it.
I'm not.
Touch it.
No, I'm not touching.
Touch the feathers, guys.
The head.
Okay. Touch it.
Signing off.